The Turtle's Diary, a milestone of equilibrium. It is Sunday once more. The precise date is now irrelevant, for our turtle measures time not in days, but in steps. 20 steps have been taken. Our quiet experiment, which began as a notion, has solidified into a ritual. The world's financial headlines have continued their frenetic dance, but our turtle did not hear them. It simply took another 5 steps. I am now holding the latest page of our diary. The numbers we find today are different. They tell a new, subtle chapter in our story of patience. Our rules remain our bedrock, an unchanging mechanical commitment. Every single business day, we invest £10 into a fund that tracks the global economy. We buy at the day's high, a deliberate act of liberation from the futile quest for the perfect moment. So, after this 4th week of walking, what do the numbers now tell us? The first number is £200. This is the total capital we have committed. 20 days multiplied by £10 per day. This number is a quiet monument to our consistency. It is the tangible evidence of 20 consecutive acts of discipline. Our turtle has not missed a single step. The second number is £200 and 71 pence. This is the current market value of the slice of the global economy we own. The difference between these two numbers gives us our third number, a running profit of 71 pence. In percentage terms, this is a gain of 0.35%. To the world of high finance, this is still background noise. A gain of less than £1 over 20 days is not a story. But we are not that world. We are planters of trees. And for us, this number, this slender green shoot, is a deeper, more valuable lesson than a large profit would have been. It is not a lesson of triumph, but of equilibrium. It proves that our system is neutral to the market's mood. The market offered a slight headwind, and we walked. It now offers a faint tailwind, and we walk. Our pace does not change. The system functions exactly as designed, irrespective of the immediate result. However, let me be perfectly clear once more, we are not fixated on the 71 pence. The profit is a natural byproduct of market fluctuation, but it is not our focus. If the number were a loss of the same size, our reaction would be identical. We would celebrate the number 20. The 20 is the number of days we have executed our plan. It is the number of entries in our diary. It is the number of steps our turtle has taken. This is the only number that truly matters, because it is the only one we fully control. We can control our actions. We cannot control the market's immediate reaction. These 20 successful investments are the foundation. A 1,000-mile journey begins with a single step, and we have now taken 20. Let us look a little deeper into the mechanics. Our diary shows that we now own 1.19138 units of the FTSE All-World Index Fund. This fractional ownership is our tiny but real stake in thousands of businesses across the globe. We are capitalists in the purest sense. The average price we paid for these units was the high of each day. This remains our crucial philosophical anchor. By committing to buy at what seems like the worst possible moment, we remove the paralysis of analysis. We acknowledge that in the long run, the difference between the daily high and low will be smoothed into irrelevance by thousands of future investments. The psychological freedom is immense. There is no regret. There is only the execution of the plan. This 4th week has brought a period of mild stability, a return to the starting line with a whisper of gain. This, too, is a gift. It reinforces the true nature of our system. We are not built to predict the weather. We are built to walk through it, regardless. The sun is no more our master than the rain. Let us again fast forward in our minds to a period of more significant market decline. Imagine headlines screaming about a market crash. Fear would be the dominant emotion. The natural impulse would be to retreat. But our turtle will not see it this way. Our system is designed for this exact moment. When the market falls, our fixed 10-pound investment will automatically buy a significantly larger number of units. While others are panic selling, we are methodically increasing our ownership of the world's businesses at bargain prices. Volatility, the enemy of the speculator, becomes the quiet, powerful ally of the steady accumulator. This is the hidden engine of long-term wealth creation, the mathematical magic of pound cost averaging, supercharged by unwavering discipline. The psychological burden is lifted. We are no longer required to be brave. We are only required to be consistent. The system does the bravest part for us. Looking ahead, the power of this approach will reveal itself in years and decades. The 200 pounds of these first 4 weeks will become thousands, and then tens of thousands. Each unit purchased will throw off tiny dividends, which will be automatically reinvested. The powerful compounding effect of owning productive assets. Our small acorn is putting down roots. With relentless, patient watering, it will begin its slow, unstoppable growth into a mighty oak. This is why we do not focus on the weekly profit or loss. These are mere weather conditions. We are indifferent to the weather. We are focused on the soil and the steady, consistent watering of our tree. The quality of the soil, the collective productivity of global enterprise, is what truly matters, and history has shown it to be extraordinarily fertile over the long term. Our first 20 steps are complete. The diary has 20 entries. The narrative of patience is being written, one 10-pound step at a time. Next Sunday, we will open the diary again. We will add another 5 steps. Another 50 pounds will be deployed, regardless of what the news cycle brings. The story will continue, its plot advancing not with dramatic twists, but with the reassuring rhythm of disciplined progress. The acorn has been planted. The first tiny green shoot, represented by a profit of 71 pence, is a welcome sight, but no more significant than last week's chill. It is simply part of the process. The turtle is walking, its path set, its pace unchanging. The world will continue to shout. Let it. We have our instructions, and we have our diary. We are building something that cannot be broken by market crashes or inflated by bubbles, because it is built on the most durable material in the world, unshakable discipline. I look forward to sharing the next page with you.